damn it. I'll be back in a second. I was gonna say it looked like we were gonna go long from a 15-minute bull flag.
Ugh. I don't have the whole day, but let's see if I can make something happen.
Yeah.
Oh, the chatbot has joined chat.
Oh, should I? Oh yeah, happy birthday. A big
Thanks.
2-6.
Yep, I'm a big oldie now.
Yep. It's definitely Jover.
Might as well just end it now.
It's the only solution I can find. Good morning, Raven. 393 16. How we doing?
What's up, Raven? Alvaro.
What?
Kid smoking cigs.
Who?
Looks like your cups.
Oh, yeah. That's what I said when I got it. I'm like,
Finished work though. What'd you have to do today?
863.
You got some volume today.
Biceps, triceps, chest, and
Jesus.
back. Jesus fucking Christ. He did every fucking workout. That's
Besides shoulder and legs.
I know.
You did everything.
Should I don't know. Yeah, it's an odd split. Or I guess it depends on how many times you go to the gym a week that you would like make your split around. Well, actually, maybe not. I don't know. I feel like I'd still, even if I didn't go to the gym every day, I'd probably still do like just some triceps, legs, and shoulders, and back and buys. I just wouldn't go as often. I got distracted at Sarah's house last night. I was rolling dice until 2 in the morning.
Yeah, she sent me a Snapchat.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
And Jody was up.
How many? Did you finally hit it?
No, I rolled it 700 times.
And she sent me a video of you getting up to like 200 and something, and she's like, he found the odds, now he won't stop.
Yeah, I mean, she did it on like her 3rd try. Then Jody did it.
Did she actually?
Then Jody did it on like her couple hundred. I'm like, I knew it. I knew this was gonna happen. This is gonna be my idea, and I'm not gonna get it. And everybody else's, and then that's exactly what happened. Good morning, Proof. How we doing? Oh, Nora, how we doing? Ye mom. Ye ma sent me a Snapchat last night. Alrighty. Yeah, good to see you too, Nora. Ye ma. Get that princess on camera now. Yeah, no, I'm good. Thank you, though. Taking anything? No, I like the long off of open. It just looked like we were bull flagging on the 15 and stuff, and then we kind of trapped right before. But no, I didn't take it. I'm actually trying to buy accounts right now because I'm a big fat loser. I only have my 3 alpha futures right now. I think I got to. I'm gonna figure some shit out over the weekend. I don't know. I'm lost here. Once you like start fiddling with stuff and thinking, and I feel like you just lose track of what. I'm like, I don't even know what my fucking entry is anymore at this point. I swear. Because you can't really make a specific entry. I don't know. I'm gonna go up to these 26,000s maybe. I could see it happening. Yeah, volume is high today. God damn it.
I said that. I'm like, dude, we just had 100 push up, 100 push down.
Yeah.
4
I was
candles.
like, oh, my stop would be here. Unlike this one if I entered at the top. And then I'm like, Jesus Christ, it's like 70 points. It's Nvidia at 192. As long as Nvidia doesn't go down $10 today, I don't get assigned.
Look at that video. Does it go down $10? You said.
Yeah. I hope it
Fingers
doesn't.
crossed.
Yeah. All the lads in long. You in long, Nor?
Hate it.
Yeah. I like this 26,000 level.
Came down, bounced off the EMA twice.
Yesterday's gap from. Oh yeah, gap from yesterday. Like this. I don't know. I just see fucking dodgy on here every day. That guy just taking up the perfect IFVG and just fucking printing. And I'm like, oh my god. And I know, like, everybody and their mother fucking trades IFVGs. Oh, I just got a text from Tufts Medicine. You have a new statement for $79,958.
I'm sure that's not a scam.
The sad part is it's not a scam. It's probably what I actually owe.
79,000.
That's how much the medicine's like 20-something thousand each shipping.
Yeah, but then what? You send it to insurance and
Yeah, whatever. It's all It says pay sign up for a payment plan, $3,331 a month. It's like, dude, you think I'm gonna pay a mortgage a month for that?
Yeah,
You're
it's like
crazy. I'll bleed out of my ass and die before that happens.
that's what I'm saying. It's like they want you to work to be able to just live.
It's crazy.
Then the medicine's probably like just this plant
Yeah,
from
for
Mexico
like
that they have like
$4.
some 5-year-old kid harvesting.
Yeah.
They're like, well, it's not slavery and it's not underage working. It's in a different country. It's okay.
Dude, this sucks. I'm trying to buy accounts and it just doesn't. Like, I have to do like a different. I don't know if it's my funded futures or if it's because of my business card, but it's like the verification is gay on it. I gotta like get a text sent for each one, and right now the text not even sending.
I had a text sent from my funded futures for verification.
You did or didn't?
Never.
No, it's from like TD. It's like purchase authentication. TD just sent you a verification code by SMS says to your phone number. You are authorizing a
Yeah,
payment.
but isn't it you like do it one time and then it's
That's what I thought.
done?
But, and now I'm not even getting it sent to me. Let's see. Got railed so far in January, so it goes short. In my opinion, yeah. I've been getting railed for the past 5 months, Nora, don't worry. I stopped trading IFVGs recently, really? Using IFVG or any other concept like a breakout won't make a difference. It's about knowing when to trade, the conditions it works in, and when it doesn't. It just changes the perspective of it. No, I agree. But you still need to have the entry to get in, and I feel like all I do is get wicked out, which would mean the idea is right, but the entry is wrong. Wow, the real in your name didn't lie. Conditions and narrative so much more important. Yeah, I thought it makes it. If it was a pattern in the program, it'd make infinite money, but it's about knowing when and when not to. Yeah, that's. I was saying that to Johnny. I'm like, I realize when I like start doing good, I just go like straight. Look for the same exact thing every single day. And like sometimes you just have to take the perspective, like you have to use your perspective of being like the amount of days we lose. It happened twice this week. I think like Monday, Tuesday. I was like, man, I feel like we're just gonna grind higher today. But I've been playing retracements, and they've been working out all right. I guess. I mean, in my cash account, they've been working well. But I've been playing retracements. But I even said, like, in the beginning of the day, and like the first like 15, 20, 30 minutes, I was like, man, this just feels like a day where we grind higher. But then my setup comes, and I'm like, oh, I follow my rules. The setup's coming for this. I got to take the short, even though I'm like, I just said we'd grind higher all day. And then what do? We just continue to grind higher, and I'm like, well, I kind of called it, but I'm too dumb to not follow. I'm like too good at following my own rules. I just like to buy at demand zone and sell at supply. Is it the opposite? Isn't it buying at supply and selling at demand? Demand is
I
down.
couldn't go to bed last night because I was so freaking itchy
Really?
from all that chlorine, even though I took like a really long shower.
Yeah, I was like white. Like I had literally, you could see the chlorine because I was just in the kitchen for a while at Sarah's house for like 2 hours or whatever. And then I was like, oh my god, I gotta take a shower. And I literally I was all white, I swear, from the chlorine. Like, see it on me. More demand, higher prices, less supply equals sell. Yeah, but isn't, like, don't they call it supply and demand? Isn't it like the same as support and resistance? Like, support is the bottom and resistance is the top. You know, if you simplify trading, like, there's three types of setups ultimately: pullbacks, breakouts, anticipation. Literally every system is in that, so the difference is not the system. Yeah, no, I agree.
Really,
I mean, I
there's
like.
two types of trading:
Well, he's saying, like, anticipation is
longs and
basically like
shorts.
consolidations.
Yeah, I know, but I'm just saying.
Right, but he's like, basically you're trying to do two things. You're trying to guess the pullback. It's like there's three types of things you can do. It's like, oh, we're gonna break out, I'm gonna go long. Or, oh, we're overextended and I think we're gonna retrace, I'm gonna go short. Or, oh, we're in a range and we're bouncing off the bottom, I'm gonna go long. Or like those are like pretty much the three. It is, when you do break it down, it is that simple. It's just,
Yes, but I
it's
took
just not that
economics
easy.
101, so I want to use big words. Wow, you're so smart, Raven. Economics 101. It's just so, it's like, I took this, I paid and took this class. It's like, I could get the same information on YouTube.
Yeah, I don't know. I like go back and forth if college is worth anything or not. It is because you need it, but or most people like need it to get a job. But I don't think it makes you any better for having one. Especially you just like see the kids who went to college and you're like, okay, I could have done it.
Yeah. I have silver. Like, how many ounces of silver do you have?
She's talking to me. What? Have you been buying? No, I don't have any silver. I got gold, just on my chain. That's it. But Johnny said it should have 4x in value or something like that.
Like 280%?
Oh, I blocked my screen. No, I have gold, a little bit on my neck, but no, I don't have any silver. It's about the people. It's about the people who know when to trade and when not to. You need to study price action conditions. So, yes. Same. I promise you, Mike. Once you do that, the issue of knowing when to and when not to get involved will easy. If the conditions is choppy, then you know your entry will take time. If it's clean, it'll be quick. Do that, meaning studying conditions. No, I think I do have a good pulse on when it's gonna happen. I just like, oh, that's not a part of my rules. I'm not gonna do it, or like, I don't use like the context that I have in my brain because I'm just like, okay, my rule said to do this, and then I just follow what I'm supposed to do, even though sometimes you're not. Like,
You're too rule oriented.
yeah. Yeah, I like can't buy any accounts right now. I don't know what the fucking.
Do you have any accounts?
I have like 3 alpha, and let me buy one my Fund Future, but
It's weird.
it's like saying it's sending me a code, but it's not. See, it's like if I was trading IFEGs here, would I have just waited for this 2 minutes so I could have avoided all the drawdown? Like, I don't want to trade the whole model. I like my idea of like where the market's gonna go, but I feel like my entry, I just get cooked. Like even then, it's like I almost just got wicked out if I was in this trade. And a lot of times I have been getting wicked out. I hope my advice helps you, Mike. I need to go done for the day. Okay, peace out. I appreciate it. Enjoy your weekend. Steve seems like a good target for longs. What is high of day? 2040 or 6040. Yeah, if I was targeting, I'd probably just target this guy here, but this is like where the gap is from yesterday's close. Let me open up down here, close the gap. We also have the 50% of the opening range high is here, so I don't think that's a bad target. Would you ever trade inversions? LOL. Like, not like, when you say inversions, I'd still just be looking for what I normally look for. It's just like the entry criteria to get in, because like, normally this is what I'm looking for. It's like a flag. I'm just looking for this, and then I'm just like getting in when we break the top here. I don't know.
Shoulders.
What are you saying?
Like I had in shoulders.
Left shoulder, head, right shoulder, and that means we go up?
We go down.
Not really. I don't know what to do.
May take a short.
Really? I'm not feeling a short here. Good
Yeah.
luck.
I just think if we were gonna go higher, we would have broken that. You lost a subscriber from yesterday.
What do you mean?
You had 670 subscribers yesterday. Now you have 669.
Wow, it's crazy. I don't even do like I don't even know what to talk about on YouTube. I haven't made a video yet, and I don't even know how long because I don't know. I'm thinking about making one. I have some stuff I want to talk about, but I just don't know how people are posting videos every day just talking about the same shit. I mean, I guess I just talk about the market a lot of the time, but I don't know. Well, I thought
Is
someone
this your
texted me.
boyfriend that you don't know that you're dating?
I thought it was your phone, Mike. I think my phone is on ring, and I did just get 2 texts, so definitely could be me.
Trump and Nicki Minaj. See those two being in the same sentence somehow?
Talk about Trump. I don't even know what that means. Okay, well, looks like I'm just trading my alpha accounts today.
Is there news going on with them?
No, I think it's on my. Oh, as soon as now they're all sending in. What the fuck is going on? No, I just got fucking 5 texts from me trying to do it, and then as soon as I close out, they come in.
Nicki Minaj bought the gold card. Is that like a visa for rich people?
28.
And I'm trying to short. Oh, we'll see if that was aggressive. Literally in 3 micros right now.
What's your target? The low or opening range low or
Hello.
like 812s or whatever, 813s?
Yeah.
Well, that worked.
We'll see if it hits it.
Did it not? It just said 813.
I'm a little bit lower than it. Like, just missed me.
Stop for 0.5 R. Sorry to hear that, Nor. I thought we were going long as well.
Alright. Made 70 points on that.
Nice. but shorts look great
Should
now.
have bought Win Mini.
Oh, God, here you go. I don't know. Do shorts even look great now?
I told you, Head and Shoulders.
I don't know. On the hour, they were kind of rejecting this guy here.
I'll be back. I'm gonna go see if my laundry's done.
Yeah, maybe we are looking a little bit more bearish than bullish here. Just can't get above this area.
Order submitted. Order filled.
I don't even know what the. That's right. I mean, it's an eval. Keep projecting off the hourly EMA. ES and NVIDIA are below the EMA. Looks like we're just failing to go higher there. It looked like we would have. Any Mist of Chaos, there's organization, patterns help. So that a wise wizard? I don't even know what this stop is, but I'll probably get stopped out for a daily loss. I think you can only lose like $1,000 a day on the alpha accounts, so we'll see. Seems like we're failing big time here. 1 hour looks nice for a reversal, or for the next push down. Shout out from Dublin, Ireland, bro. Dublin, Ireland. He must talk cool. I like the Irish brogue or whatever they call it. Hope it runs for you. I appreciate it. The evals, I don't even know. I don't care about evals, but it's the only way to get back. It's so much easier to trade evals when you're already trading fundeds and you can just trade it with it. But I'm like, man, this is just such a waste of time. If I just copy trade it with my regular PA accounts, then it doesn't feel as bad. But so I'm just they'll pass when they're passed. I'm already working on accounts, but when it's just I can't imagine just trading evals. It just sounds terrible. Well, I, God, I literally just feel like everything I take, I don't have trades go straight into fucking profit anymore. I swear, I just buy the tops and bottoms. It is a fucking, I don't know. Nothing's ever easy anymore. Even if it does hit, it's like it just has to pull back. I never get in, and it's just fucking dumps. I swear, not in a long time. I feel like when you're hot, that just happens. You just enter, and you're like, yeah, why wouldn't it just go straight down? And then it does, and then when you're losing, it's just like, oh, surprise, surprise, we're gonna come back up.
Order filled.
And that's my daily loss, or my max loss, whatever. Cool. Man, I gotta figure some shit out, because I can't keep doing this. It's just every day. I buy the bottoms. Or I sell the bottoms and I buy the tops. It's just an everyday occurrence now. It's so brutal. Oh, I've never been more down bad ever, I swear. We're gonna bounce and we're gonna go, because, you know, we only tried to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. Ugh.
Jeez, it looks like I freaking guessed exactly the bottom.
Yeah.
Literally, my exit was 10. 8-10.
So happy for you. It's over, Johnny. I'm quitting. I'm going back to electrical, dude. I can't do this. Clearly, I do something wrong.
Would you try to go short?
Of course, I try to go short because the market goes higher. That's just how it works. We were rejecting. We tried to go higher 5 times and failed. 1 hour we were rejecting off the EMA. Had a nice doji candle close. Already a doji candle on that one. Thought we were gonna flip it. 4 hour we already rejected off the EMA. We were
I
below
would've
it
guessed
on
short
the
there,
ES
too.
and Nvidia. It's just. It just doesn't matter. I don't know.
Market doesn't care about how you feel.
No, it doesn't. It's literally, if I were doing the exact opposite for the past 5 months, I'd be the richest man on the face of the planet.
Well, yeah, you'd be 12 per 15, not
Yeah,
3 per 15.
it's insane. And it's like every trade looks like this. It's like I fucking buy the bottom, or I short the bottom, and then we just don't. You trading key levels? I don't even know what the fuck a key level is, plot. Make let's go fishing? What, so I can fucking shoot myself and drown in the river? Just, I don't know, I try to use context there. I'm like, okay, clearly we're failing to go higher. We tried 5 times. We're starting to look like we're gonna go short. We have a nice rejection candle. We have that. It's just.
I guess the only thing you had to do is just wait to go short when we actually broke the bottom.
That's the problem. Like, if you look for everything to line up, I feel like you just miss every single trade. But I'm sitting there, I'm like, okay, 15 minute. We were like below it at the time. I'm like, okay, we're flippering through it, but clearly we're just bouncing off of it still. But like the 1 hour, we were all the way down here, rejected off of it. This candle was a rejection. 4 hour, we rejected off of this. Nvidia was starting to go lower and break lows. It's just. But somehow it's clear and obvious that we weren't going to go lower.
Never clear and obvious.
I know that's okay. I've had a rough week too. I was eligible for a $700 payout, but didn't take it, and now it's gone. Yeah, that's never fun. Losing payouts that you could have had. You realize you just got to take the money. I mean, even I just lost my 5 MyFund Future accounts, but I'm like I could have only taken out like $2,000 from them all combined, and that would have blown them. But then you sit there and you're like, should I have done that? I don't know.
Well, you would have made more than you then.
Yeah. I had that with my Apex accounts twice. On one of them, I could have took out like $500 or $600 twice. I had two opportunities to. Didn't do it either time. Blew out those. Like it's just how it works. Yeah, bro, I didn't want to blow them, but at this point, I'd rather have the money. Yeah. That's the thing. Like, it's easy to. I said this to Johnny the other day, too. It's like, it's easy to be profitable with props. It really is. It's not difficult. You get, like, one payout, it covers so many accounts.
You have to be able to get one like max payout with one account every like 10 accounts that
To
you
cover,
buy.
yeah. Not even, like. If you got one $2,000 payout in Apex, or one fucking $1,200 payout in My Fun and Futures, like, it just covers so many expenses. It's like. What, one $2,000 payout covers how many My Fun and Future? They're like $87 a piece.
Yeah, like literally 20
You buy
accounts.
like 25 accounts with that. It's like you need one. It's not hard to be profitable. It's just hard to make a living off of it.
Well, that's what we said. Like, it's like, oh, you talk to anybody and you're like, I made 80K last year, I did good. But then you're like, well, 10 out of the 12 months absolutely sucked
Yeah.
ass, so it feels terrible.
Right.
But I still had a good year overall.
It's so hard to keep in perspective. It's like, yeah, if you just told anybody from the outside looking in, be like, oh, I made, or call it 70, because that would be like my pre-tax income would be like 70,
Yeah.
or actually my pre-tax would be 80, but like 10K in expenses. Most people who work jobs don't have expenses for their job, so it would just be like 70. But it's like, yeah, if you tell normal people, it's like, oh, what did you do? It's like, oh, I traded all year and I made $70,000 and I worked an hour and a half a day. People would be like, wow, that's the dream job. But when you're in the
I woke up
trenches
at
of it,
9:30 and ended my day at 11.
Yeah.
Like,
but then when you're in it and you just feel like you're getting beaten and battered the entire year, you're like, oh my god, dude, I'm doing so bad. But like, yeah, you tell someone like, oh, I made 70K working an hour and a half a day, they'd be like, wow, that's the dream job. That's so good. Like, I didn't even make that much. Because, I mean, 70K is $35 an hour if you're working 40 hours a week. So there's people who don't even make that. So they'd be like, wow, that's crazy. But, yeah, that one $700 would cover all my Top Step accounts plus profit. Exactly. It's, like, becoming profitable is easy. Not easy, but, like, very, very doable. But consistently profitable and making it your life, whole different ballgame. So hard. Because that's also the thing. It's like I don't want to take the small payouts because I'm trying to get a big payout because I'm trying to fucking live off of this shit. So it's like, oh, what does a $500 fucking payout for me do? But it's like, well, I mean, just from that, it's like, okay, I could have taken a $2,000 payout with my My Fun and Futures and a $500 payout with my Apex. It's like, okay, that's $2,500 that I could have had that I don't have. It's like, it's not terrible. I feel like being consistently profitable is hard. It's so hard because it just doesn't always work. So you have to adjust.
hard?
Like, because people are like, you have to just follow your rules, man. It's easy, but you can't just follow your rules because then when the market changes, you just get absolutely slaughtered. So you like have to adjust, but it's so hard to determine when to adjust. Like me and Johnny have adjusted so many times, and we're always just on like the wrong side of it. Like you do something and it's not working. It's not working. It's not working. I'm fucking 2 months going like, all right, we got to change something, and then you switch, and then it works for a week, and then oh, now this isn't working, and what I was doing would have been working. So you have to like stay with it and then just be able to like fluently flip back and forth, which is just so hard. Like I was doing good in Forex payouts until Trump tariffs came out and my rules had to change. Yeah, I was so bad I had to do futures. Yeah, it's... Oh, man. Is it my name? That's the thing. I understand. Like I don't go on tilt. I understand that I'm gonna lose trades. Like, I'm not upset just because I lost one trade, but it's just like everyday thing. It feels like I'm just. It's not one trade. I'm literally like. At this point, I'm probably 3 for 18 on the month right now or something.
Including your accounts.
Yeah, I guess, but it's just. Like my cash. This is what happened to my cash account yesterday. I took this short right after stream ended. I took this short, made like $500, and then I tried to long here. Got stopped out here for break even, and it hit my TP that was like here. I'm like, damn. So I'm like, I know it works. Sometimes it's just like the managing of the trades, and I don't fucking know. I gotta do some shit over the weekend. I gotta figure some shit out. I'm gonna hop in a call with AJ and stuff and go through it. I'm gonna work through some shit with him. Why don't you take a break? I mean, I just had a break. I just took fucking the whole like back half of December off. It's like a break doesn't make me come back and trade better. It's I clearly gotta figure something out. You don't trade for 5 months following your rules and don't get a payout and then be like, oh, I just gotta take some time off and come back and do it. Like clearly something is flawed in my strategy. Even though I've shifted, because that's what like they're like, don't hop strategies, but then you're like, oh well, I have to adjust because the market's changed. So it's like I don't know, everything is just nuanced. Okay, I'll let you know if when we're doing it. We were gonna do it last night. I messaged him. We were gonna do it later, but then it didn't end up happening. Because I asked him what he was up to at like 6:30. He didn't answer, but then I had to go at like 7:30 anyways, so it wouldn't even have been that long. But I'm sure this weekend I'll probably get FX Replay and try to grind through some shit and just figure some stuff out. I don't know. It's just it's like I see Diego again yesterday, winning trade, locking in another payout. Even Koo is thing today. One more day for a payout. Like it's clearly people are making money. It's just not me. Like I don't know what these people are doing. Or Koo is long overdue, but at least just for one payout. But Diego's been ripping it. I don't know what his strategy is, or like I know kind of what it is. It's just IFVGs off of something, but. I think about AJ, he's very discretionary. He doesn't trade every day. Yeah, I know. And I don't need to have the exact same strategy as him. I mean, but. And I don't need to trade every day. Like, there's days that I don't think there's a setup and I won't take it, but. A lot of days I see a setup, it just doesn't work.
Alright, I'm out of here, guys.
Alright, enjoy the weekend.
Have a good one. So you were doing something about man, you were taking out payouts every month. But it wasn't even every month, Marky. That's the thing. It's like I took out like I only had like 2 months of payouts, Marky, or maybe 3. It's just that they were big ones. Let me see. I don't know if I took out any in January, February, or March, but April I took out like 11,000. June, I took out like 4,300. So what is that? So that's 1 month. That's 2 months. July, I took out I don't know, like 12,000 or 14,000 or something. So that's 3 months, right? April, June,
So it was April, June, July. So it's 3 months. August is 4 months. So I got like for like 50 something thousand in August or whatever. A little over 50 or 52,000 or something. So it's like what, 4 months? And I remember you taking out like 50K in one month. No, you're right. I took out like, yeah, that was insane. Yeah, but it's like, Marky, I haven't taken a freaking single payout since then. The last day I took a payout was August 20th. I requested $26,843 on August 20th. That was the last time I took a payout. So it's like, were you trading the same? Yeah, like, I was. Like, that's the thing. I mean, because then no, I'm not trading the same exact strategy as I was then because it stopped working and then I blew all my accounts and then I tried to adjust because you're always trying to, like, adapt and, like, I ended up, like, switching my sizing a little. Like, I've gotten better since then, but, like, and I've learned some shit that I like to implement and stuff like that but it's just still not, I don't know. I feel like just what I was doing was working. But now it's just not at all. But it's like I was still just trading breakouts. Just having a target, and then it was just like, it just felt easy. I'm like, oh, I figured this out because it was just like, it would be the equivalent to this. I trade like this, and then I short, and then it would just dump, and then just maybe do like, and it just fucking hit my target, and that would be the end of it. And it was happening every fucking day, it felt like. And I was like, oh, this shit's easy, I figured it out. But now, I don't know what to do. It's like now literally the only thing I make money on is fucking my money that I already have that's working for me or whatever. Whether it's just in regular investments or me doing covered calls and stuff like that. Like it's... And then I feel like the more you lose, like the more you try to change shit, and then it's just, you kind of get lost. Like that's where I feel now. I just feel like I'm lost in it. I don't know. It's like I can't remember the last time I fucking. It's like I don't even. What's my own? I haven't won like fucking 2 days in a row. I mean, I've only won like fucking 2 days this entire month or 3 days this entire month, but I haven't won 2 days in a row and just feels like I'm fighting for my life. In like November, I did decent. I did like decent at getting my evals back in like December or whatever, I think, and then. It's gonna be okay. I haven't had a payout from futures at all, and I'm still hopeful at the end of the day this is a game and we need to play to win, you know? I would say the way you trade works very well in trending days and not very well in choppy days like this. I also noticed you don't utilize the higher time frames as much, but I think it would help a bit to use the higher time frames more for days like this. I mean, I was trying to, like, I feel like I'm utilizing, that's the thing. Marky, before when I got my pounds, I wasn't using the higher time frame at all. I was literally strictly looking at like the 1 minute, I think. That's what I'm saying. Like, I am not using the same strategy, but I feel like I've gotten better because I've used it. I'm trying to use it with more context. But like that's the thing. I was looking at like the hourly and like the rejection, nice close there under the EMA and reject it. Like we're doing the same thing now, and then it's the 4 hour rejecting off the thing. We're kind of just like we're in a little bit of a downtrend here. Like we're failing to go high. I'm trying to like use the context of everything, and it's like, I mean, I could have waited for because I normally, like before, the past couple months, I've just been waiting for like the 15 minute, and I guess I kind of, oh wait, I'm on yes, like the 15 minute, like I kind of bought it or sold it at the bounce of the 15 minute. I could have waited for like a break and then a retest and then a short. But Lord knows, we'll probably, when we do break it, if we do, we're just going to fucking dump all the way down to my target anyways and not get anything. So it's just, I don't know if my entry needs to be better or my, because it's like, oh, this happened, my entry, perfect. I might not get it. Like, say we start dumping now down through. Maybe I gotta be like we start dumping down through. We're below this because like this is what I talk about. Like a lot of my losses, like in the earlier couple weeks of January, were like kind of this loss that I just took, which was selling at the 50. Because I feel like I noticed a lot of the 15 minute kind of determines the 15 minute gets respected a lot during like the 9:30 to 11 session. I feel like I've noticed that a lot. We don't really feel like. I feel like I can base a lot of it off of this, but I was trying to do it off a little bit higher of a time frame today because I've just been getting cooked so much. But a lot of my trades in the beginning of the year, like first 2 weeks of the year, I would be like shorting right now, kind of like I did now, and then it just gets rejected, as opposed to like me waiting for this breakdown and then the come back up and then the go. But I think the problem is I like see the setup where it's like kind of setting up because I'm like, okay, this is the 15 minute, we're breaking below, we're at the 1 minute retesting, we have a nice candle, and then I'm like, all right, we're just gonna get in here. But I shouldn't be afraid to like get in down here once we really establish that we want to go to, like, we want to go lower and get to like this target or something like that. So maybe that could be like, I don't have anything to trade right now except for my cash account. Let me see. Let me sign in if it fucking lets me. Where's my, why? How do I sign in? I'm so confused. Did they move where the extension thing is for Tradovate? Or for Trading View, on like where you can actually sign in. See, we're starting to get the break, so I would. Can anybody? Is that like where is the sign-in thing? Is it up here now? Is that what they did? Oh my god, they did move it up there. Okay. Okay, I'm in. It's like maybe I should be like now we're actually getting the break below. Now wait for like we got a nice close there. Problem is I like now I want like something really specific to happen. My target was what here, the low of these 15-minute candles. Like this is the problem. Am I just gonna watch it absolutely tank down? Yeah, it just kind of like hops around from fucking 8,000 to 12,000. Badass if I could make money off of it, but I'm such a fucking failure I can't. Right now I have like $11,615 in it. I just don't want to open it on the thing because it shows my account number. I don't know if that's bad to show. It's like now it's like breaking and retest, but the problem is like I don't know when to get in now. Like, is this my entry? I feel like shorts look great right now. Buzzing out a bit of a bear flag. I feel like this looks really good for shorts. But Lord knows I'll probably short here at the bottom. It'll come up, retouch the 15 or the 1 minute EMA, and then fucking wreck me. But we'll see. Giving it a shot. Yeah, I'll do steak after, or get it loaded up. There we go. Put it above this just to be safe. Yep, and there we go. This is what I just do this over and over and over again. I just buy the absolute bottom and then it literally rips up 200 ticks in fucking a minute. It's a talent. It's literally a talent to pick the absolute bottom. It just keeps happening. I'm just a. Well, there's your steak. Sorry, Raven. But it's this shit over and over. What I fucking shorted here and what I shorted here. Like, these are my two shorts. I don't know. I don't know. It's just like it's not like it's just happening one today or anything. It's just been like months of this. But the only thing that's good is I know how to control risk pretty well, so it doesn't really fuck me that like. I blew my account after I sized up when I was already like 3-12 on the month or whatever. Good God, this is like. It's just over and over. People are like, just follow your rules. Just follow your rules and have good risk management, and you'll walk your way into payouts. It's so easy. Then you sit there and you can follow your rules day after day, but if you don't have the right rules, you just lose. And I can't figure out what the right rules are. You can assign anything and follow it. That's the easy part. People act like that's the hard part because they can't control themselves. But when you can control yourself and you're still losing, you realize that it's not just your fucking psychology. Oh, man. Just day after day. Isn't that the story? I mean, literally the fucking, what is that, the biggest candle of the fucking day? It starts me out. 78 points. What was this one? I was opening candle. 90. Fucking close enough. Yeah, I mean, this is just a shit day. These runs are crazy and not ideal. That's the problem. Like, it's like, oh, it's a shit day, but it's just every day. Even when people say it's a good day, I just get cooked. Maybe incorporate AMD in your trades. Asia and London already made the big move, so it's less likely for New York to do anything other than consolidate. Is this a big move? I feel like we didn't even go anywhere. I guess. Well, London, we kind of reversed and went higher. What, isn't it like this is supposed to be like the accumulation? Like Asia's like accumulation? And like this is the manipulation? And then this is the distribution? Accumulation, manipulation, distribution. Looks like that's the distribution, accumulation, manipulation, distribution. I don't know. Is this the end of Asia? Or is this... It already expanded overnight. New York was more of a chop / retracement. Asia ends at 3. What, so Asia ends right when London opens? So I feel like that's what, your distribution? Or is that your manipulation? I feel like that's distribution. I feel like, I don't know. I'm gonna end up fucking sniping the low of day. And then I'm gonna have to go on and watch people be like, "You're a retard if you took shorts here." Clearly, it was obvious. You should have took this 1 minute inversion here. And didn't wait till close for some reason because of the discretion I have, even though I always wait until close, and this is the one time I didn't. It was obvious we were going to chop 5 times, not break the high, just to break lower, then just to break the high. It was obvious. Either way, man, I know you'll figure it out. Just don't be too hard on yourself. I don't know. It's hard not to be when it's just been 5 months of straight losing. So sad. It's literally like the longer you do this, the more you're like, is this shit actually possible? Or like, I don't know. I know it is, and at the same time, I don't think it is. It's like you just have to use like lucky discretion and then hope you go on a run. Like there's no way I'd be profitable with, if there was no prop firms, I would have quit by now. Because there's no way I would be able to make a cash account worth it, obviously. Like, unless that you had fucking $500,000 in one. One Universe was like $5,000, so you only need to make like fucking 2R a month, and even still, I can't even fucking do that. I don't know. Would you ever just try learning a whole new strategy like ICT or something? That's the thing. It's just, I don't know. I don't know. It's already just a talent. I'm literally gonna fucking pick love day. We're gonna break out. We only failed here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8 times. Alrighty. I'm gonna call it here. So I watch this break high of day. I'll be back Monday. Hopefully with some more confidence and a true idea of what the fuck I'm doing. Because right now, I got nothing. Fucking hell. Alrighty. Enjoy your weekend. Good luck trading if you're still trading. Peace out.